Hey, it's Crystal Haynes. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to shorten a zipper, stick around and I'll show you how. And if you want to learn how to sew simple handbag and accessory projects using vinyl, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Now let's get into it. So I'm starting off with actually making a clutch for a client of mine to put in her boutique. And as you can see, the zipper is way too long. Sometimes I'll have zippers that I use for other projects like the backpacks and bigger things that need longer zippers, and I will have run out of the shorter zippers, so I will take the longer zipper and use it for smaller projects like this one. So I'm just finishing it up, making sure the zipper is sewn into the window of the clutch, sewing it all the way around to the beginning of where I started sewing, and then I will turn it around and show you how I shorten the zipper. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to actually turn it around to where the zipper is on the right side of the clutch, and I'm gonna fold back the vinyl just to give me more clearance to put the zipper underneath the walking foot. And I'm gonna take some clips and clip those two parts back. And I'm gonna put it directly underneath the walking foot. And I'm going to lengthen my stitch so that the needle does not hit the teeth of the zipper, because that could suck. So you want to make sure that the needle does not hit the teeth. You'll put it right above the teeth, and you're basically going to do a whip stitch like you would with a needle and thread. You're just going to go forward and backwards. I'm going to go forward once, hit the backward lever on my machine and go back. Then I'm going to go forward and backwards about 6 or 7 times to have a nice sturdy stop, so that when the person goes to unzip the clutch, the zipper is not running off of the zipper tape. So just forward and backwards a few times. And once I'm done, I'm just going to clip the threads. And then I'm going to remove the clips. And then all I'm going to do once I've done those things is cut off the excess zipper that's after the stopper that we made. So you grab your scissors, and I like to cut between the teeth, kind of at an angle, because the teeth are not soft. So I cut at an angle so it looks kind of pointed. And of course you can do this without it actually being attached to, your fabric. You can shorten it first and then add it. I'm not sure why I do it this way, but for some reason it makes sense to me. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and also follow us on Instagram at 15and15. Have a good day.